Hello friends, today we will see graphical communication in the subject communication skills and in the topic non-verbal communication. So what is graphical communication? Illustration of text, numerical data, etc. with the help of figures, tables, charts, graphs is a graphical communication. Mostly graphical communication is utilized with written communication. Visuals are very important in many presentations. Graphical display gives an overall view of given data which is helpful in communication. Visuals facilitate fast learning. Pictorial images are easy to remember. Then there are advantages of graphical communication. It is simple and direct, and illiterate and uneducated people can understand it. It is very easy to remember, attractive display. It overcomes language barrier. Complicated and vague ideas can be simplified. It is helpful to present large information in a less space and time. Useful for giving presentations, and it makes comparisons effortless. Then there are some disadvantages. It is an inappropriate for conveying wordy, extensive and touching information. It is a one-way communication. It is costly as photography, sketches and colors are included. There is probability of incorrect understanding. Sometimes the graphical can be ambiguous. It is not proper for dialogue or discussion. Then we have two modes of graphic communication. First is bar graph. Graphs are forms of non-verbal visual communication. A lot of classified and organized information can be conveyed through graphs at a glance. Graphs are also useful in case of presenting comparisons. A lot of information can be presented in a clear manner. Bar graphs and pie charts are the types of graphs. For example, devise a bar graph to present the data tabulated below. So, here is the data. Incidents of fires in textile factories in Kolhapur. So, causes: short circuit, smoking, debris, unknown, and total. And years are given 2011, 12, 13. So, with the help of this data, following bar graph is drawn. So this data is becomes very simple to understand in this graph. Then another type of graph is table. Table is useful for presenting statistical information. Through a table, we can get the required at a glance. For example, design a table comparing the retail cost of 6 automobiles of your choice for the year 1960, 70, 80, 90, two-wheeler and four-wheeler. So years are mentioned here, and two-wheelers and four-wheelers are mentioned in here. So systematically the data is given. Then next type of presentation or graph is pie chart. Pie chart. This graph is in the form of a circle. It is used to display data in terms of relative percentage. This form is also used to compare certain things in percentage or degrees. For example, see, this is the pie chart in circular form. So This was all about graphical communication in non-verbal communication. Thank you.